Right, this is the Intention Fight Channel right here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs has been one of 5-1 by Mamelodi Sundowns. Good. What's happening? How do you feel about the game tonight?
Okay. Let me tell you something. Yabona mawudlala nge-Sundowns. Mawudlala nge-Sundowns. Awudingi ama-defenders. Amanga. Ngithini ukutshela something nge-Sundowns. Yabona igame idisappointing for the very first time because it's only red card. And then we manage ukuthi sidlale nabo until that first 5 minutes. Then as a coach, mawubuya kwi-second half, if ibhola uyayazi kahle. Because mna konke lokhu ngiblame coach. Ucoach wemele wenze. Ucoach mele ufake i-Sundowns mawufuna uyi-defeat, mele uyi-attack. Ngeke uyeke i-Sundowns ukuthi ize kuwo. The moment uyeke i-Sundowns ize kuwo, uyipha ama-chances. Kunabantu abango-Allende lapha abagijima 90 minutes. Uyabona? Kunabo-Rebel lapha abagijima 90 minutes. And when unabo bani, unabo bafana bathi unamba babokuzitha kwinika. Uyabona into ezenza labantu banama-mistake. Even sebethola ibhola bakhona uclear. So as a coach wenzani? Ufaka i-team e-attackayo. Unaba umfundo vilakazi abomduduzi Tshabalala bebedlala igame last game bebedlale kahle mara mase uza second game uzobabeka ngaphandle because wena wayikani wayiki Sundowns ufuna ukuthi Sundowns nenzeni uyiphi chance ukuthi ize kuyo
can't play low blow bathini lo
ngeke udlale ibhola angeke udefend i-Sundowns ifana namanzi olwandle izobuya izongena the only way ongazi udefeat ngayo is to go to them,
punya them.
Yeah, when kusaba nakuqala labantu. Yabona inkinga esinayo i-coach. Yabona i-coach yethu bra. Reason why sine coach abo Calvin Johnson is because i-management ye-Chiefs ayifuni i-coach international. Because coach international izokutshela ukuthi kumele wenze. But i-coach ya local wena uzoyitshela ukuthi wena uzothatha ubani nobani. Yabo. That's why sine abo Calvin Johnson. Manje sesidlalelani? Sidlalela ukuthi singene ku-top 8. Yayibona lento bra. And top 8 yabona sibenza ngomlenzo oyi-1 ngokuthi ichip iyadlala ichip iyasikhipha lapha. The reason why because ucoach wethu akakho sure ukuthi ischeme adlala ngaso isiphi yabo akakho sure ukuthi first level yakhe yini.
Yeah, Asante, so just one last question, 1 minute. uDuba wakora just before he came here Pirates bambeke benchini nge-Pirates. uShabalala just scored previous game Super Sport namhlanje bambeke benchini. What do you think i-coach into eyicabangayo lapho is it what is happening lapho? Is he a real coach or what's
like I said the moment beqasha lo mfana abathanga this is a coach
but interim but an interim it's not an interim player. He's not an interim teacher. He's an interim coach.
You know why ama fans we-Chiefs akwadi?
Yeah.
Akwadiso ukuthi uthe wena uzisa umuntu ozobambela until uthola ucoach alright.
Yeah, but then the question yami ithi le into it seems like intwana leza
ucoach akazifuni not like akazifuni akayazi ibhola because makuthi uyazi ibhola angeke ubeka abozwane ngaphandle. Abozwane abadlala ibhola and i-quality players lezi labantu oduba i-player mayenze uduba yintwana encane makenza imistake eyi-1 and we can't punish mistake eyi-1 mele kuyikike emelandelayo umnikeze i-chance ukuthi adlale and kunama-senior players abanomele ukuthi bakhuthaze le nto encane ukuthi bafethu egamini kuso.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you very much. Sorry ukuthatha short ngoba isikhathi sambili.